Let me show you how to get a scrunch effect like this. Hey guys, today we have a vintage country style blouse and we are going to flip it. A good idea to bring it to a more modern style is to crop it. So let me show you how to do that. I have my blouse, I put a pin where the length was, and I have shown you in other videos before, when I cut a top, I like to fold it by the center, front and back. In this case, it's very important to check which one is the back and which one is the front because we are gonna make it a little bit different. And we are going to put an elastic. This one is, as you can see, is almost 1 inch wide, and we are going to encase it because this is the easiest way to do it. So I'm marking where I need my length, and then I will mark a perpendicular line from the center front towards the side. And in the side, I'm gonna raise the side about 1/2 inch. 1 centimeter is good too. And then I'm going to go down again, but not the whole centimeter because I'm gonna make the back a little bit shorter than the front to make a space for the bust area. After I mark my lines, I'm gonna use my French curve just to soften up and make sure that all those lines are nice. This is my first line, and then I'm gonna mark 1 inch for the case and then 1/2 inch more to fold in again. Sometimes I mark 2 inches 1 and 1, but in this case, because I don't have a straight line, it's easier just to fold 1/2 inch. Then I'm gonna go and look for a nice thread, and this color looks so common, but no, it's so difficult each time that I have this color to find the right thread for this. I didn't find a good enough, but I will use this, which is a little bit lighter. Then I'm gonna find which side is the front and which side is the back, because I will start in the sides but going towards the back. And this is a zipper foot that if you want, you can just wrap the elastic on top and use the zipper foot, but this is for the pros. We are going to do that the way I like it, which is a little bit easier. You can do two things. You can use pins and that makes your job way easier, or you can take in count the grain of the fabric. You always can see the grain, and then what you have to do is to check that all your seams at the sides and grain is all straight, and that will give you a much nicer hem. Can you see it? You see, it's not iron or anything and it's looking good. Something else that you have to take in count is to check in your machine that you are sewing at 1 inch and the feed dog is not pulling the under fabric too much in respect to the upper fabric. That's really, really important. And then you will get the perfect hem. But after you iron it, then it looks great. Remember that I left a little bit of the hem without doing, and now I'm gonna insert the elastic. So I'm measuring 20 inches and a half of elastic, and I'm leaving around 3/4, 1/2 inch, something extra, just in case that elastic is a little too small. We can easily fix it. And I will show you the simplest way to just put it in. You just use a safety pin and then you insert the elastic and you pull, and you have to be careful when you find the side seam. A good tip is to attach the other end of the elastic to the blouse. So if in one case you pull too much, you won't gonna lose it, because otherwise you have to start again and you don't wanna do that. After I finish, I make sure that the elastic is not twisted inside and everything is all good. And then I can decide to make a stitch to join the two ends of the elastic. You can do 1, 2 seams, depends of how much of the excess of material you left. And then I just pull it in and close the little part that I left open. After that, I still play a little just to be sure that the material is well distributed. And then I will make 2 stitches in the ditch so the elastic doesn't move and doesn't twist. And here you go, this is my blouse and I think it looks really cute. Now I'm thinking I could have shortened the sleeve as well. What do you think about it? So guys, that was all for today. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!